everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shikha and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I am a law student from UPS Dehradun. In today's video, we will talk about the patent registration process in India. But before starting the video, there's a small disclaimer that this video does not solicit any kind of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the only purpose for which the video is made is educational purpose. So let's begin with the video now. Patent is an intellectual property right which is granted by the Indian Patent Office for any invention or any improvement to the existing invention. The patent is granted on the invention which is novel in nature, involves any inventive step to it, and it must be able to be applied in any kind of industry. The patent with the Patents Acts of 1970 and the Patent Code of 2013 governs the patent registration process in India. The Indian Patent Office is established in the four Indian cities, namely Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. The proper jurisdiction for filing the application for registration of the patent is determined by the address of the applicant or the place of business of the applicant or the place where the invention originated. So, who can file the application for patent registration? The true and the first inventor of a patent or any invention can file for the patent registration. Also, the assessee of the true and first inventee, or the who is the legal representative of such deceased true and first inventor, can file for the application of the patent. Also, the legal person, which is the firm or any company or association of people, can also file for the patent application. In case of a sole proprietorship business, the name of the proprietor shall be included in the application. In case of any partnership firm, the name of all the partners who are personally liable shall be included in the application. So now we will discuss the processes for filing of the patent application. The first process is filing for the application in the Indian Patent Office. The form, this shall be done in the proper form and with documents and the prescribed fee which are given under the Schedule 1 of the Patents Act. Nextly, the forms, there are various kind of forms which are described under the Patents Code of 2013, such as Form 1, which is the application for patent grant, which includes various descriptions like the inventor's name, the field in which the patent is seeked, etc. The second form is the provincial or the final specification form, in which the description of the invention is later written down by the applicant. In the provincial specification, it is filed during the patent. The invention is being developed while the final specification is filed, and the invention is completed by the inventor. In case of firstly and provincial specification is filed by the applicant, then within 12 months of such filing, the final specification must be filed by him. Otherwise, the patent shall be withdrawn. There are also various forms available which are to be fulfilled by the application, which shall be duly met by the applicant so that the patent can be furnished to him. The next step is the publication of the application in the Indian Patents Office official gazette. The third step is the request for the examination. In this, the applicant shall request for the examination of the application to the Indian Patent Office. On receipt of such application, the controller shall review the application. The next one is objection in the objection which are raised in the examination report. So the controller either authorizes patent registration or can raise an issue in the subject matter, or any procedural objectification can be raised by him in the examination report. Upon receiving of that application report within 6 months, the applicant is required to give any reasonable justification for such objection raised in the report. If he fails or the controller is not satisfied, then he will be given a reasonable opportunity of being heard. And so the next step is the grant of patent. When all the formalities and the procedures are met which are laid under the Indian Patent Act of 1970 and Indian Patent Rule of 2030, then the patent shall be granted to such applicant. The last one is the renewal process. After every 3 years, the patent is renewed by the applicant, which can be renewed on giving the prescribed fee, and this patent can be renewed for up to 20 years. So this was the process related to filing of patent registration application and how the patent is granted to an applicant. So that's it for today's video. If you have any doubt or if you have any feedback, please write it down in the comment section below. Thank you so much.